Before I get started with problems with integrated refrigerators, they're a great way to enhance the look of your kitchen because it's seamless to the cabinet. It's also a great way to make your kitchen unique from the traditional suite of stainless steel appliances. However, in this video, I want you to understand that there are three main problems with integrated refrigerators and how you can incorporate a larger counter depth refrigerator for the same look and in some cases for far less money. As an added bonus, you'll learn a bit about some basic kitchen design as well. The first major issue is capacity. Maybe storing more food since the pandemic, and integrateds do not hold as much because you're reducing the depth. It's important to understand the critical dimension of a refrigerator is width. Every refrigerator is made to fit a cabinet, not the other way around. So you can only add or decrease capacity by increasing or decreasing height and depth. In an integrated refrigerator, you're cutting the depth even more than a counter depth. Counter depth models hide the chassis of the fridge while the door protrudes. Integrated refrigerators do not protrude by cutting the depth even further. But what does that mean for actual storage in cubic feet? A Sub-Zero Counter Depth Pro is the most common 36-inch with a compressor on the top at 21.7 cubic feet, while the equivalent integrated is 20.5 cubic. Thermador integrated refrigerators with the same width are even less at 19.4 cubic feet. So you're taking the reduced depth and cubic footage of a counter depth and reducing them even further, which may impact the way you store food. You would think that an integrated refrigerator with less capacity would be less expensive. However, the opposite is true, especially in the larger 42 and 48-inch sizes. Now, one of the features of integrated column-style refrigerators is that you can place them anywhere in your kitchen. If you're a lefty, you can place the refrigerator on the left instead of the right as an example. However, it will cost significantly more. A 24-inch all-refrigerator and 18-inch all-freezer column will cost $5,535 more than a 42-inch French door refrigerator. If you're looking for French door styles and other configurations, they're also more available in a standard Pro counter depth than an integrated refrigerator. You can even buy French doors in that larger 42-inch size. The main attraction to an integrated is its seamlessness. You cannot distinguish an integrated from the cabinet. It does look like the cabinet. What you can do, especially in new construction, is to build the cabinet out to cover the door of a counter depth refrigerator so it looks like an integrated with large cubic footage at a less expensive price, like this kitchen. Integrated is still a great look. It's a nice diversion from stainless and has certainly become the choice in premium kitchens. There's several reasons to consider an integrated refrigerator, and in some instances, it's the only option to achieve that neater, seamless look. You get flexibility to place them anywhere rather than buying the single unit. In the most common 36-inch size, you do lose 5 to 10% capacity from an already shallow counter depth. In the larger 42 and 48-inch sizes, you'll pay way more for columns than the one larger counter depth Pro with similar cubic footage. Just think about how you're going to use your refrigerator. You do have options to incorporate a large unit in your kitchen plan while still making it look good aesthetically. You now know a bit about kitchen design and how to incorporate larger refrigerators into smaller spaces. If you want more information, download our free counter depth refrigerator buying guide with profiles of all the brands, plus buying strategies and other tips to save you time and money. Almost 1 million people have read the Yale guide. Thanks for watching.